Hey, what's up everybody? This is MoRiZ and welcome back to the channel. For today in this video, I'm gonna be unboxing this guy right here. It's a wireless vehicle vacuum cleaner. Very cheap and affordable. I bought it in Lazada for about 379 baht plus 45 baht shipping. So stick around and let's unbox this together. Alright guys, we're back. Thank you so much for watching. Alright, before we start unboxing, I would just like to say that I am not in any way affiliated with Lazada or the shop that I bought this item from. So I'm just a mere customer buying this item for my own purpose. So let's get it on and unbox this vacuum cleaner. Alright. Here we go. So let's start off with the accessories. We've got the extension hose, and we have this one as well for vacuuming on tight little areas. I think this one is the one that will connect the vacuum and your accessories. And we also have the round brush to scrub the dirt and vacuum. We have the cable, so it's USB, so you just need to plug it in a USB socket. We also have the instruction manual for the vacuum cleaner. And lastly, the vacuum itself. It is wrapped in bubble plastic. Here we go. Yeah! Looks cool. So let's set this one aside. And let's test if there is a power in it. It does have some battery left. Alright, so let's just try to fit in the accessories. Let's start with this one. Yeah, it does fit. Has suction, guys. It does. The brush, yes, it fits. And the hose, I think you need to fit this in first and fit in the hose. Alright, for extension, hard to reach areas. So let's test it out again. So I believe it does its job for its price. And that's it. I guess this is it for the video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And I'll see you on the next video.